Okay, well, welcome back guys to this week's video and हम लोग आज अपने ओल्ड वीडियोस पे रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं टू सी हु वाज मोर क्रिंज एंड इट इज़ गोना गेट वर्स एंड वर्स विथ टाइम जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच
No!
way too cringe
No! अरे करो
सो गाइस जैसा कि आप लोग टाइटल से ऑलरेडी समझ चुके होंगे मोस्टली कि हम लोग के पुराने ओल्ड क्रिंज वीडियोस एम्बैरसिंग वीडियोस को रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं एंड लेट्स सी हु इज मोर क्रिंज बिकॉज लाइक ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट मी इट्स हिम
No.
No,
her,
it's
her,
not
her.
me.
It's her.
It's
She is the most cringiest person in the world.
yeah sure
She made me do everything in this channel.
no
Just start the video, bro.
ओके सो फर्स्ट कौन करेगा पहले तुम दिखाओगे मुझे कि पहले मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊं
मैं दिखाऊंगा.
ओके श्योर
Wait.
shit this is gonna be bad
No, बहुत सारे cringe videos हैं.
oh no oh, no TV oh shut up हो गया
आपकी बारी.
okay yeah sure now it is time
ए
क्या
YouTube में मैं दिखा सकते हैं.
नहीं फोटोज भी दिखा
No.
सकते हैं।
दीदी.
yes wait I'm gonna show people and places
I hate you. No.
oh shit
No.
okay wait
No.
oh my god
I hate you, bro.
okay
I hate you.
so बहुत सारे हैं उसमें से एक दिखाना है
No, please. I hate you, bro. I hate you so much.
yeah sure I am going to I am going to show the least cringiest one
Oh, nah. No! That's my school dance. That's my school dance. No. That's my school dance. That doesn't count.
Okay.
That's my school dance. That's my school dance.
दिखाओ ना अपना चेहरा
अरे बकवास कर रही है. इसने मुझे ये नहीं बताया था. स्कूल डांस है वो. शट अप यू लाफिंग तो क्या ब्रो नो वो नहीं भाई. Just get that. Okay, you know what? Just get that. Now.
what's wrong with you
Oh no, that. No.
okay I know this one well this is not as cringe as his
No. 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 I accidentally made my cringe video. Wait. दीदी आपको काटना पड़ेगा.
No.
You bro.
That's not supposed to be shown.
एक मिनट.
जाओ.
That face.
जाओ. Shut up.
Like bro, that face. Nah.
I was trying to show my eyeshadow. It was really good. But then
No, it's not good. It's looking so cringe. Why are you looking at the viewers like that? You're showing the wash basin. Nah, bro. You're looking so cringe right now.
shut up. It's over now.
Cringy girl.
Oh really?
The queen of cringe.
Let me show you his
No.
pictures now. It's my turn again. Oh, I found it.
You told me to do that, okay? You told me to do that.
ऐसा सारा नशेड़ी में बनाया है please.
I'll never listen to you, yaar. I'll never listen to you, bro.
3, 2, 1, go.
ये सोने वाला नहीं है.
Oh no.
You look at this.
That's around 5 years ago. 5 to
Oh my god.
see that's
I just paused at a random picture, okay? Wait.
no.
Let it restart again. I just paused at a random picture and show it to you guys.
That is taken out of context. I was 9 years old at that time. So please.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, wait.
No. I'm ending the video, guys. Bye-bye.
No. We have this Kake Diaries. It's basically Kashvi Keshu Diaries.
No!
There are cute videos as well. So वो मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगी नहीं obviously. And
Oh no! Okay, I was so small. बहुत छोटा था. पुशअप्स कर रहे थे हम लोग.
I do not care.
That's not cringe, okay? I was small. I was very small.
Yeah, that's
I
not.
was trying to do push-ups and I did. और मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कैसे करता उस टाइम push-ups.
That's kind of cute.
मैं बस
Okay.
counting कर रहा था, okay?
Not gonna lie.
That's not cringe.
That's cute. Yeah, I agree. So फिर मैं दूसरा वीडियो दिखाऊंगी.
That is very cringe, दीदी.
No, it's not. Oh.
That is very cringe. Okay. मुझे पापा की याद आ रही थी यार. मैं बहुत छोटा था उस टाइम. No.
क्या हो गया?
Stop it. Okay, come on, bro. Come on. Now I'll show another one. Her sleeping picture.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh
Are there any cringe ones? I feel this is cringe. I feel.
It's not cringe. It's good.
I'm gonna delete that now. Because it's not cringe.
Well,
Is this cringe, guys? Just tell me, is this cringe?
no, it's not. Oh, brownie.
Wait, then it's not cringe, right? Then there are no other options except for the photo.
Oh no. Wait, let me.
Is this cringe? Oh, the face. The face is cringe.
Okay, it's not as cringe.
Okay, so it's not cringe.
No, it is cringe.
No,
it
it's
is-
not cringe. It's not cringe. Her sleeping picture.
Cannot show that.
Her sleeping picture. She was sleeping at that time.
No.
See this? Bro.
You're not supposed to show such things.
Why, bro?
Oh. Okay. Actually, उसके बचपन की photos is quite cute, so I'm not gonna show that. And I'm gonna show अभी की pictures.
No. I have so many cringe pictures.
I know.
No. No. Okay, now.
Okay. Nothing can be as cringe as that.
This can be.
Oh no. No. पर ये दिखा चुके हो तुम. So.
But still, this can be. मेरे पास आपके पास 63.
Oh no. कौन से ईयर की है वो?
Nah, wait. 2022. You're so childish.
I was very young.
Bro, you were only 12 years old at that time.
Yeah, well, I was as old as you.
So I don't use Snapchat for these pictures.
It's so. Okay. जो भी. चुप ना.
No! I hate you! That's my twin brother, bro. Come on.
Yeah, sure.
और कौन से वीडियोस आपके पास मोटली? वेट मैं इस पे भी देखूंगा भाई.
Okay, sure. No.
Why do you click such pictures of yours? Oh! इतना तेज मारने का किसने बोला था?
Shut up.
She's so cringe. She's the queen of cringe. Okay.
No. Okay, रुको अभी मैं तुम्हारी दिखाती हूँ.
I was so rage baited at that time ना. I was literally very rage baited at that time. बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था मुझे.
क्यों परेशान वेकेशन? मुझसे क्या कर रहा है?
Nah. Okay. At that time I can't do the मेरा मैथ्स का एग्जाम था. मुझे मैथ बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही थी. मैं बार प्रैक्टिस करे जा रहा हूँ, इतना लंबा लिखते जा रहा हूँ और मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर दिया. अपने दाद दिखा के रिकॉर्ड करे गधी. और मुझे इतना गुस्सा आना से रेज बेटा फील कर रहा. कैमरा के सामने उसका कैमरा ही तो. See this one, this is Didi and she was small.
Oh, yeah, हम लोग.
That's so cute. This is my second last one. She snores. Listen to this.
No, I don't.
She sleeps like this.
Why would you no?
Can you guys hear her snore?
No, obviously not because I do not snore.
You snore, okay?
No, I do not.
Okay, she snored.
No, I didn't. मुझे सर्दी थी, please.
I didn't record that, but एक बार हम लोग कार में जा रहे थे.
Oh my God, नहीं.
उस टाइम मुझे सर्दी थी. वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग.
Okay, wait.
वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग ट्रिप थी. ठीक है, और वो खिड़की वाली विंडो पर बैठी थी और सो रही थी. अब ये पॉइंट है कि कैसे सो रही थी. ये खिड़की है, सोचो इधर खुली हुई है, उधर हवा आ रही है, उससे वैसी सर्दी है. सस्ती स्लेंडरीना जैसे बन के सो रही थी भाई. ये मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया वरना इतना मार देना मुझे खींचकर. बुली है भाई बहुत बड़ी. आपकी बारी.
Okay, this was your second last one, right?
Yes.
Sure. So,
guys, add me. My username.
I found it. I found it.
No!
Oh, I have this one. This is cute and it's embarrassing because like उसने ये अपनी टीचर के सामने बोल दिया था on the first day of school, like on the very first day of his school.
He was crying.
He was crying?
But he stopped. He was crying.
Okay.
he said कि मैं स्कूल में रो रहा था क्योंकि मैम केशु को दबा रही थी.
अब देखो मैं सुन नहीं रहा था उनके बाद उन्होंने ऐसे पकड़ा और मुझे ऐसे साइड में ले गई और तो मुझे लगा मुझे दबा दिया. ओह
मैं स्कूल में रो रहा था, मैम केशु को दबा.
ये लास्ट है ना?
नो,
हाँ
no it's not mine.
और बचे ही नहीं मेरे.
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, फिर लास्ट है ना. एक्चुअली इसके बाद वाला लास्ट है.
तुम्हें वो वाला देखा. ओके नाउ आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग हर and she does this while sleeping. Just stare at her face. Why was she doing this in sleep? Wait,
वो अच्छे से नहीं दिखाया
I'll
तुमने.
replay it. Now just see, focus on her face, okay? Wait, I'll just show it from here. Just focus at her face. She was doing this while sleeping.
I don't know, probably I was dreaming.
What was the dream? Why you were doing this in the dream?
केशु मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं. ओके, I do not remember.
कौन सा पता नहीं कौन सा अजीबोगरीब से ड्रीम.
ये है मेरा फाइनल.
Oh no!
What's that?
I'm a Superman wearing a frock. I mean not actually wearing it.
It's not a frock, it's a घटिया सा कपड़ा.
Why is that so cringe? Why is that so cringe?
Yeah, so this was my final one. Now I quit.
I quit too.
आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय. और नहीं होगा.
कल नेक्स्ट हफ्ते आप लोग से मिलते हैं.
बाय.
कभी क्रिंज वाले वीडियो पे ज्यादा ही बनाना था. अरे रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप नहीं